PDP.
Power to the people.
PDP.
Power to the youth. Power to the youth. Power to the youth. My fellow youths, under the coalition for P2P, on behalf of the State Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, I hereby receive your letter to them. I hereby receive your letter to the State Working Committee and, of course, to the National Working Committee as well. I can assure you that your letter will be given the needed attention. As a Nigerian, the desire for good leadership and competence is the ultimate desire of every Nigerian, especially the youth.
Correct.
I guess that is why we are here.
Yes.
And as a political party that is sensitive and responsive to the yearnings of Nigerians across board, including the youth, the PDP will always do the needful to ensure that the yearnings of our people, the yearnings of Nigerians, the yearnings of the leaders of tomorrow, who are selected also the leaders of today, that your yearnings, our yearnings, are given adequate and desired attention. I can assure you that this letter will be sent across to where it ought to go, and in turn, the delegates will hear about this.
Thank you.
Thank you for the peaceful comfort. I urge you to continue.
Obedience, sir. Always obedience. Always obedience.
Obedience. Not abiding and obedience.
Give us obedience. It's already verified. One house.
The PDP is going to give an environment for a free and fair primary election.
Yes, great.
What you need to do, nobody stops you from promoting any of your aspirants or your choice. You have to take your campaign down to the grassroots, to the delegates, and ensure that the delegates
Give us the delegates list.
will
Give us the
Thank
list.
you for coming once again. May God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We will deliver.
No.